What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with Gage for Training. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a full day of eating travel vlog. So let's get started. As you guys can see, there are not a lot of healthy options when you're traveling. I'm actually in the Amex lounge and there's a lot of carbs. A lot of the food that you will see is carbs. So the best option I see, I'm gonna make up a plate. I do see Greek yogurt, so there's a little bit of relief there. But Greek yogurt is low fat, but it does have more carbs than I would like. I do also see some eggs, so I'm gonna put a plate together, show you guys what I got, but I am drinking some black coffee stupid early in the morning, and we are in transit to LA, so see you soon. So here is what I ended up finding. I found this turkey sausage matbuka, which sounds really good. It has some tomatoes, but you can really see that the amount of sausage here is actually really small. It's probably like 1.5 ounces of protein there, but the tomatoes is relatively light. I got about roughly 1.8 ounces of some sweet potatoes, and I went with the herb scrambled eggs. Now, one thing you want to know when you are traveling is that you are not going to be able to perfectly gauge the amount of fat in the food, so don't freak out about it. What I encourage you guys to do is this: hit your protein macros 100%, do your best to make sure that you get enough protein in the day, stay at your total daily calories. However, the balance between your carbs and your fat intake, if it's a little bit off, for instance, if your fats are slightly higher and your carbs are slightly lower, at the end of the day, I would still count that as a win as long as you stayed under your total calories. So as you guys know, I am on phase 3 of the holiday shred. So my calories are relatively low right now, which is perfectly fine. So I just wanted to show you guys an example of what I'm eating. I'm not freaking out over the fact that it's scrambled eggs as opposed to egg whites. I'm gonna do the best that I can with it and just keep it moving. You can't stress over these types of things when you are traveling, but you wanna try to hit your protein, hit your calories. If you can be perfect on the carbs and fat, that's great. If you can't, do the best you can. So this is not a sponsored video at all, but I just wanted to show you guys this free gift I got. It's called a Q. It is a silicone stainless steel collapsible water bottle. I was really impressed. Check this out. It collapses down to this size, right? Can you open that? Look at this. And it's silicone, and you can take it with you on the airplane, right? But that way you can like have more volume. Ooh, and the lining is, okay, so the neck is stainless. No, the inside is silicone. The inside is silicone, the lining is stainless. But I just thought this was a really cool idea for those of you who want to make sure that you're hitting your water when you travel. So again, if you guys want to check this out online, this is called the Q. I am very pleasantly surprised at how cool this is. So, and then check that out. Boom! And like, look, relative to my iPhone, it's like smaller than my iPhone. So cool stuff. Alright, so one last thing I'm eating is some non-fat plain Greek yogurt with maybe half an ounce, 1 ounce of blueberries, and just a teaspoon of some toasted coconut. So I'm having this because I know I need some more protein. As far as Greek yogurt goes, this is probably about 4 ounces. So that's what I'm going to be having before I pop on the plane. But I gotta tell you guys, the coffee's super good, and I will show you guys what I eat on the plane. Alright gang, so about to head over to the gate. I'm gonna show you guys what are the healthiest travel snacks that you could find at an airport. Gage Girl approved, 6-week shred approved, holiday shred approved, so you guys are not gonna wanna miss out. I am gonna teach you guys exactly what to look for when you are trying to eat healthy when you travel, because a lot of you guys, tell you guys got excuses on excuses and excuses. I'll show you guys my tracked macros in a few. Let's go see what I can find. All right, so I see this stand here. Let's see what they got. No, no, no. This is all carbs. Carbs, carbs, carbs. The only thing here that is halfway decent is this Greek yogurt, which, carbs. Now, we got some string cheese here, which is a possibility. Grilled chicken wraps, I don't really want any of that. I just want a simple snack. Sodas, nope. Let's see here, again, more carbs, more carbs. I mean, there's almonds. It's probably one of the best options. Do you guys have any beef jerky? So even though this like looks relatively healthy, you guys, there isn't really anything I can eat here. So I mean, the best options there were the string cheese and the Greek yogurt and the almonds. Let's see what else we can find. We're gonna head over to Hudson News. So let's see if we can find anything healthy up in here. Again, a wall of carbs. Carbs, 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 carbs. Where's the protein, people? Some healthy snacks that isn't loaded with sugar and junk and garbage. So I'm gonna be grabbing some beef jerky. Oh, and we got some nuts too. Okay, guys, this is where you wanna stick to. I'm gonna grab these lightly salted almonds, and I'm going to grab some beef jerky. Let me see here. We wanna read the labels though. Let's just double check. Is 6 carbs. So unfortunately, this is the best ratio I can find with 11 grams of protein and 7 carbs. The other ones had 10 protein, 8 carbs. I mean, you just gotta do your best. It's more carbs than I want per serving, but it's going to help me hit my macros. Gosh dang, $10.99, but staying on track is priceless, and I value that more than anything. So it just landed. I'm super tired, but I'm super hungry. And look who I found! It's Delilah. She was so nice to get me from the airport. We're gonna eat, or getting some food. I'm gonna help her pick out something fun and healthy. So yeah. I'll show you guys what we get. Excited. Alright, so we ordered some appetizers for the table. We got some broccoli, some eggplant, and they brought these things. You guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So Delilah just asked me, she's like, do you want me to move them? Yeah, I can. But I don't know, you guys. You guys know I like potato chips. We shall see. But let's start here. Let's start here. I am drinking sparkling green tea. So let's just see how this goes. Alright, so here is my salad. I got this flank steak dressing on the side. I asked for the onions on the side because I don't like onions, but my friend here wants the onions. She wants the onions. Here, you can take them. You're weird. I can't with you. I can't with you. So I have my steak salad dressing on the side. And then some jalapenos to throw on here. But guys, you can easily keep it healthy when you are on the go. You just gotta make good choices. And you see this over here? You see this? You see these potato chips? We exiled them to the end of the table. We exiled them to the end of the table.